Today I'm gonna show you how you can learn a back full. A back full is a backflip with one twist, and there are a ton of ways how you can learn it. But the following 3 ways are probably the most common ones. For the first way, you don't need to be able to do a backflip because you're just gonna throw ourselves to our side. You start by doing a 360 twist and land on your back. By the way, I do my back full to my left side, so I will show you everything in this tutorial to my left side. If you twist to your right side, just mirror everything that I do. You can literally stand like this, look to your left side, and now all you have to do is pull your right arm over your left side to do a 360 twist to your back. Once you feel comfortable doing this, you can twist a bit more and land on your side. All you have to do for this is throw your arms to your left side a bit harder. By now, you'll probably understand how we get from this to a back full. All you have to do is throwing yourself to the side harder. And that's like the most freestyle tricky way to learn a back full, but it works. For the second way, you should be able to backflip. If you can't do a backflip yet, pause, check out my backflip tutorial, and come back to this video once you can do a backflip. We're going to start by doing a backflip without tucking. Now there are a few things that you have to do to turn your backflip into a back full. Number 1, make sure to start your backflip first before you start the twist. You want to get a little bit of backflip rotation before you twist. Number 2, once you have a little bit of rotation, pull your left arm to your back and drop your left shoulder. Number 3, then you pull your right arm to your left side and your right shoulder comes forward. Number 4, make sure to look to your left side. Number 5, pull yourself to your left side throughout the flip. It will be pretty sketchy in the beginning and you may lose air awareness, but that's completely normal. And it will take some time to understand the back full. Just keep trying and I'm sure that you will have your back full in no time. If you struggle with your arm movement, there's one tip that helped me a lot. When you pull your left arm back, think about catching your left arm with your right arm. And throughout the whole flip, you want to catch your left arm with your right arm, but your right arm never catches your left arm as the left arm pulls back all the time. That's a simple trick and it helped me a lot. Alright, let's move on to the third and last way. You should be able to do a back half, because what you're going to do now is slowly turning the back half into a front full. First, we're going to do a back half. Make sure that you have a solid back half before you try to add more twist. Now, we're trying to do a 3/4 twist. Therefore, just keep twisting a little bit longer than at the back half. You can also kind of cheat it by doing a back half and twisting your hip a bit more in the end. This is super weird, but what you can do now is slowly adding a bit more twist until you are at the back full. Okay, those are 3 ways how you can learn a back four. I personally learned my back four with a mix of wave 2 and wave 3. I kind of tried to do a back half, but also use my arms more, and eventually it worked. In the end, it's all about you, and you can just do whatever way works best for you. With that being said, if you want to know more about the back four and some tricks and tips, make sure to check out my video about back four tips and tricks, which will be dropping next week. If you have any questions about the back four, please let me know down in the comments and I will try my best to help you. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.